Meaning of demonstrative.
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 Demonstrative. The term demonstrative refers to something that serves to demonstrate or indicate. It can also describe a pronoun that points out a specific noun, such as this or that. The use of demonstratives can help clarify communication and indicate emphasis or importance. They are commonly used in both written and spoken language, and can also be found in nonverbal communication such as gestures. Overall, the term demonstrative signifies the act of pointing out or emphasizing something, whether through language or nonverbal cues.